Hey guys, so today I have a new sports water bottle to show you. It's a 36-ounce bottle from Landnics. This sports water bottle from Landnics holds 36 ounces and it features a fast flow, one-click, leak-proof flip top. It's BPA-free, made from Triton plastic, which is food grade and it is suitable for hot and cold beverages. So if you had Gatorade or coffee or something, be great. And beverages could range from -20 to 110 degrees Celsius. Now the bottle itself is very lightweight, easy to grip, and it has indentations so it doesn't slip from your hands. It also has a nice lanyard or strap that you can put around your wrist or maybe even attach it to your backpack. Alright, so I'm going to take the top off to show you that it has a wide mouth so you can in fact put ice cubes in easily. This is a filter that comes with it as well, so you can infuse fruit or just hold your ice cubes there if you want as well. But it's very big. Put fruit, ice cubes, you can even put something in there to clean it if you have to. And then that's the filter when it's inside. Very handy, very, it's an ergonomic designed. Great for if you want to carry something around. It's also very, very, very lightweight. So this water bottle would be great at the gym or used outdoors. I go to the gym very frequently, so I would probably take this on my daily time there. It's pretty big and long, but that's fine. It shows you how many milliliters are there if you want to fill it up to a certain level, or how many ounces. Here is the flip top. Flips right up, the place where you would get water from, and then your nice lanyard to hold it, or there's the nice indentations. It's a nice gray, it's kind of smooth too. This would be great with cycling or other sports as well, since it's a great all-purpose water bottle to carry in, around throughout your day, or in your car as well. Please check the description below for more info about this product and follow us on certain social medias as well. Hit the subscribe button and please keep your likes and comments coming. Thanks for watching.